Lean manufacturing projects are a critical component of improving operational efficiency and reducing waste in manufacturing processes. By implementing lean principles, organizations can streamline production, minimize defects, and enhance overall productivity. This video provides an overview of some exemplary lean manufacturing projects that have delivered significant results in various industries. 1. Value stream mapping and process optimization. Value stream mapping is a fundamental tool in lean manufacturing that enables organizations to visualize their production process and identify areas of waste. One exemplary project involved the implementation of value stream mapping in an automotive manufacturing plant to streamline the assembly line process. By analyzing the current state of the production line and identifying non-value-added activities, the team was able to redesign the workflow, reduce inventory levels, and improve overall cycle time. As a result, the plant experienced a notable increase in productivity and a reduction in lead time. 2. 5S Workplace Organization. The 5S methodology focuses on creating a clean, organized, and efficient work environment. A notable lean project involved the implementation of 5S principles in a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. By organizing workstations, standardizing processes, and implementing visual management techniques, the facility was able to improve safety, reduce search time for tools and materials, and enhance overall workplace efficiency. The project resulted in a significant reduction in workplace accidents and an increase in employee satisfaction. 3. Just-in-time, JIT, inventory management. Implementing a just-in-time inventory system is a key lean initiative aimed at reducing excess inventory and minimizing storage costs. A successful lean project in an electronics manufacturing company involved the adoption of JIT principles to optimize inventory levels and improve supply chain efficiency. By establishing closer relationships with suppliers and implementing demand-driven production schedules, the company was able to reduce inventory holding costs, minimize stockouts, and enhance responsiveness to customer demand. 4. Kaizen continuous improvement. Kaizen, which means change for the better in Japanese, is a core principle of lean manufacturing that focuses on continuous incremental improvements. An exemplary lean project in a food processing plant involved the implementation of Kaizen events to identify and eliminate sources of waste in the production process. Through cross-functional collaboration and employee involvement, the plant was able to reduce setup times, minimize equipment downtime, and improve overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. The project resulted in cost savings and increased throughput capacity. 5. Total Productive Maintenance, TPM. TPM is a lean methodology that aims to maximize the operational efficiency of equipment and machinery. A notable lean project in a heavy machinery manufacturing facility involved the implementation of TPM practices to reduce unplanned downtime and improve overall equipment reliability. By implementing preventive maintenance strategies, conducting operator training, and enhancing equipment inspection processes, the facility experienced a significant reduction in breakdowns, improved equipment availability, and increased overall equipment effectiveness. In conclusion, these exemplary lean manufacturing projects demonstrate the tangible benefits of implementing lean principles in various industries. By focusing on process optimization, workplace organization, inventory management, continuous improvement, and equipment reliability, organizations can achieve significant improvements in operational efficiency, cost reduction, and customer satisfaction. Embracing lean manufacturing principles is essential for organizations striving to remain competitive and agile in today's dynamic business environment.